Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something truly exciting for all you coin collectors out there. We'll be exploring the K2 new pence coin world of Jefferson nickel coins. Trust me, some of these coins can fetch a pretty penny at heritage auctions. So, stick around. Let's start with the 1971 to new pence coin. Now, this coin may seem common, but if you have one in excellent condition, it's a real gem. The key here is its rarity. Due to a decimalization change, the new pence wording was replaced with 2 pence in mid-1971. So, if you find a 1971 to new pence coin with the new pence inscription in good condition, it can be worth quite a bit. In heritage auctions, these coins have sold for $100,000, and in some cases, $300,000. The 1961 Jefferson nickel, without mint mark in good condition, known for its clean design and historic significance. This coin has been fetching attention at auctions. Recently, at Heritage Auction, a well-preserved specimen sold for a remarkable $14,000. Next up, we have the 1976 to new pence coin. What makes this coin special is its design. It features a striking image of a heraldic lion. Again, its value depends on its condition and rarity. If you have one in pristine condition, you could be looking at a nice payday at auction. These coins have been known to sell for $89,200. Moving the 1960 to Jefferson nickel, without mint mark, its unique features and limited availability have contributed to its demand among collectors. At the Heritage Auction, a high-grade 1960 to Jefferson nickel commanded a price of $18,000. On to the 1993 to pence coin. This coin might not have the vintage appeal of the earlier ones, but it's still worth mentioning. Why? Well, in 1992, the Royal Mint decided to reduce the size of the 2 pence coin, making the larger 1993 versions a bit of a rarity. If you find one in good condition, it can fetch a respectable sum at heritage auctions. Some have even sold for over $46,300. Moving on to the year 1964. This was a transitional year for Jefferson nickels, making them intriguing for collectors. A fine specimen from this year fetched a noteworthy $1,840 at the Heritage Auction. Fast, we have the 1971 new pence to new pence coin. This coin is a true collector's dream. As I mentioned earlier, the switch from new pence to 2 pence in 1971 makes this coin exceptionally rare. If you have one in mint condition, you're in luck. These coins have been known to fetch incredible prices at heritage auctions, often reaching into the $400,300. Fast forward to 1970. While not as old as some other coins, the 1970 Jefferson nickel has its own charm and rarity. A top-grade 1970 nickel was sold for $12,000 at Heritage Auction. Now let's explore the year 1975. This coin's unique design variations have made it a sought-after item in the numismatic community. A well-maintained 1975 Jefferson nickel went for $41,000 at Heritage Auction. Turning our attention to the year 1971, without mint mark in unseen condition, these coins boast distinctive features that make them stand out. A brilliant example from 1971 fetched a respectable $44,000 at Heritage Auction. Heading back a few years to 1969, these nickels have their own stories to tell. A well-preserved 1969 Jefferson nickel was acquired by a collector for $4,000 at Heritage Auction. Let's not forget 1968. These nickels carry a piece of history with them. An exquisite 1968 Jefferson nickel was sold for $20,000 at Heritage Auction. Lastly, we have the year 1967. This transitional years brought changes to the nickel's composition, making them intriguing for collectors. A bundle of nickels from these years garnered attention and went for $46,000 at Heritage Auction. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting coin-related content. Until next time, happy collecting!